Here we are at Kalo, and guess who's doing Hawaiian now?
We were just talking to him a few minutes ago. He wants to really guess. Let's ask Chai.
Who knew that he had this Hawaiian food in him?
Not really in him. That would be really weird if we ate what was in him.
When was the last time they had like Hawaiian food in Waikiki? Really? Never.
It's some hotel buffets. But rarely do you get this.
Yeah.
And those short ribs are just...
Especially something like long rice. That's like something you never really see for tourists.
And you get a lot of times you get the taro roll, but you don't get this really great butter. Oh my god.
So yum.
So good.
Very yum.
Foods. But before we do, just a brief commercial announcement. Melissa Chang, she's going to brought some good zymes to us.
It's a Melaleuca product, but you can get enzymes from longs.
Well, you can, and it helps, the digestion.
It breaks stuff down.
So you have to have a little bit of tea to start, and then you take how many of my eyes?
One.
Oh my god. You take one of these, oops.
Oh my goodness.
And you take it before a meal. Now, according to Melissa, you won't feel all disgusted after you finish eating a meal. The problem is we're so used to eating out that I don't even remember the difference between disgusted and not disgusted anymore, but we'll try it.
Maybe can I try one?
So get ready for some good zymes.
Enzymes.
Yes, tell us how you feel.
Won't be disgusted.
Especially because it's so heavy, yeah? These are...
Oh, yeah. Okay. This is like really gooey boy. So it's like...
I don't take drugs, so I won't be trying any.
Oh my god.
You don't take drugs.
I don't take drugs.
Some people who should don't.
So my plate is full. I got my short rib, poke, lomi salmon, poi, and kalua pork. And of course the taro roll. Ooh, chopsticks have arrived.
Ooh. Well. Ooh.
That is some thick poi.
Some thick boy.
Some thick poi. Look at that. Ooh, thick.
Something, it's so thick.
Really thick.
Oh, it's really local. It's thick. Oh, sorry.
Wow.
Sorry. Okay. I just gotta get my favorite thing and then done. Oh, beautiful. Thank you.
Here comes the laulau.
Yes. Here comes the laulau. You guys obviously started. Vamos over the pork here. Really simple, really clean flavors. Okay. Very fresh.
Because it really has the authentic flavor.
Good smoky. So big. I'm gonna get into this. Am I the first to bite into the short rib? Oh, you guys are
Yeah.
I just used to go.
The pipikaula, it's actually thicker than the ones. I don't know, smoky.
Oh yeah.
Got that almost an aged exterior. It feels thicker.
Yeah, the one at Halloween's is thinner.
Yeah.
Like, just a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we gotta use our hand for this.
You gotta bite this one down. No civility.
So
This is a
good.
delicate blossom or something like that.
What's wrong with you?
We don't have time for that tonight. No.
Oh my god, so good. Like the exterior is so crispy.
It's got that nice little crispiness to it.
Yeah. And it's kind of like a dry fried beef, but it's not like too hard or chewy like jerky. Wow, it's good.
I'm using chopsticks, I don't know why.
It's so good.
Yeah.
I think I want something.
I'm not a huge poi fan. Poi is very thick. And it goes really well with filet big. A little bit of lomi salmon. Oh. Yeah.
So we got these garlic noodles, and it is so good and garlicky. Wow. It's like the best like fried saimin garlic noodles. Wow. So garlicky.
Yeah, it's very garlicky.
I love it. It's so good.
It's so good.
Wow.
What is that?
The garlic noodles. Is that cilantro on top? I want cilantro on top.
Really good.
So delicious.
So much better than ours. Oh my gosh.
Must have cilantro.
Oh, I bet it's so good.
Okay, I got beef stew here, guys. I see
Yummy.
right there. Yeah.
Is it good?
Wow.
Thank you.
Oh, so what's in that one?
This one is the just a noodle, and we put the garlic oil and butter, garlic oil and bacon, a little bit of Chinese thin soy sauce and pepper, and that's it.
Let's try this.
It's the most simple.
Okay. Oh, another bread. It just repopulated. It regenerated.
Everything is good. Oh, I'll try the luau. Yeah.
Try this one.
It's even better with avocado.
No, I tried. How's that? It's really good.
No, yes, I had it already. Thank you.
So how did this whole thing come about? So first you were talking about the papale one, and this was out of the blue for us.
You know, this one was faster. Right?
Took me only about a month to put it together.
Wow.
And they already had the Hawaiian concept.
No, the owner, they pretty much trust me and said, what would you like to do? So I told them, let's do Hawaiian food and let's renovate this and need that. They said, okay. That's right.
Is it the hotel or somebody owns this
No,
space?
it's a Japanese company.
Oh.
Japanese owned.
So when did they contact you?
They contacted me, less than 2 months ago.
Oh, wow. That's fast.
Dishwasher. You have chili pepper water.
But long time ago, I was going to do Hawaiian food in the food court.
Good
The
job.
London food court.
Oh, I want.
Yeah.
Oh.
And then I couldn't find help. I said, oh, I don't want too much stress. Well, actually, I already have my recipe and everything done already. But when he comes to help, they just make it easier for me.
Mm-hmm.
So these are your recipes?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We do the way we do. Like,
The Bistro is your recipe.
yeah. It's a little bit different than them. Almost similar.
That's why I'm so excited when I saw the oxtail soup. I thought, oh. I love that.
So tender the beef.
This one you have to grab the bone and just try it.
Oh my god.
What's
I'm a
that?
delicate blossom.
That's what we told her. She's the only one using
Like
fork
that.
and knife.
Mm-hmm. Weirdo.
I mean, Jackie,
Yeah.
I eat it till it's clean.
Oh my god. Why? Just pick it up with your hand.
So you don't have chili pepper water.
We do. But
Oh,
tourists don't know.
Yeah, but locals do.
Yeah.
alright.
Mm.
And I will stop eating for now.
You got
How
the
many,
water?
how many of these do you have?
This is my third. See the bone?
My goodness.
Wow.
Would you like a little ramen sauce with it? Or no? Directly
No,
in. Got it.
directly in. Try this. Oh, okay, I'll get it later on. I will later on. Thank you.
We could left go all the way to the end.
Okay. Good spicy.
The spice, that chili pepper with the laulau.
Oh, the big stew. Very good. Oh, laulau. Wow, this is so good. Everything is just so good.
I think I'm gonna take it.
I think we can eat that. I'll be this, yeah. Very, very Asian, yeah.
Very good.
not bad, you know. Not like mine's really
Some people
fantastic.
love that. They say that tendon good for you too. Like if you have tendon problems,
See, tendon?
Yeah.
Now we're on the Chilean sea bass
Oh.
and mashed potatoes.
We're past that.
So good.
So buttery and soft, yeah.
And melts in your mouth.
Yeah.
So good.
How full do you feel?
Gross.
Even with the
I feel
inside?
bloated. Even with the enzymes, so maybe I'm just eating more than I should be.
The sea bass tastes like butterfish.
Yeah, because it has that buttery, oily quality to it. It's so soft, and then when you the miso just breaks everything down.
So good.
And now we're going to indulge in what normally would be a lobster curry, but it's been hard to get lobster lately, so chefs indulged us with some shrimp in here. And of course, it's sort of along the Vietnamese style where you did with a little bit of French loaf. And I'm going to try that curry first. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Besides the fact that the baguette has such a crisp exterior and a nice soft spongy interior to sop up all of this curry. This yellow curry that is
So
produced
they have blue.
is aromatic. It's very good. It's just See the breadfruit?
Yeah.
I got that's what I
It
got
was
here. I
supposed
got
to be lobster, but we can't find lobster
Ooh,
anymore.
loo, I got some breadfruit. That's very starchy. It's like it's a potato. You would never know. You would think it's just a potato. Somebody can eat the head. I don't need the head. Melissa eats the insides of the head. All yours. My treat. Knock yourself out. Wow. This it's sort of like if you've ever been to Mailan and had the crab curry, or you went to Young's Kitchen and had their curry, but you have to bring your own baguette to Young's Kitchen. But this one is just a luscious coconut scented yellow curry. You can just dip and dip like Nadine. You know, sometimes you have to watch her. She double dips sometimes. You know? Nope. I did bite it down. I break it off and I dip.
That's only the first dip.
That curry is outstanding. Nadine has her own, while we share. So,
We have only one stomach to give.
That's why I gave you guys info. You didn't take inside.
No, I'll take Josh. Wow, it really
curry.
tastes like taro.
but you know, just the bread and the curry, and I'm good. Wow. Spicy too. There's a little bit of chili in there.
A lot of spice.
Yeah, very bold. When we use the baguette, it really just dilutes that.
While we wait for Melissa, who's in my way.
Hot kettle. Oh my god. White on white.
Yeah, blanc on blanc.
We go for the taste, we don't go for the look.
Fini? Oh, okay.
Empress.
Oh, Empress Wu.
Looks better in video.
God, you should.
But you keep in your way.
Oh, did you get your camera in her shot?
Oh my God.
No.
So, dessert has arrived. We have the and we have the
Coffee pour the creme.
coffee
The
for the
pots de
crème.
cream.
Yummy.
Crème.
So,
Use your guttural side. The pot de crème.
no thank you. All right, let's do this.
Try the help here first, let me know what you
Yes, please. I will do it. Help you. We get to have. Oh, sorry.
Oh no, go ahead. I was.
Righty.
And Chai instructed us to eat the halkia first. Because I guess the coffee is strong.
Now this is his sister's recipe, correct?
Yes.
Yeah. Yummy.
Firm, creamy, beautifully nuanced, laced with a coconut notes.
That sounds kind of weird.
Not mushy.
Not at all. And it's not overly firm when you feel like it has too much agar in it.
Moved on to the coffee food.
Oh.
Oh, you get it?
Delicious. Oh my god.
She went to the pots de green.
Toasty green.
The pots de green.
Wow.
Now eat it together.
And the two together is good too.
Really?
Yeah.
Together. Okay, Sophia, this is yours.
Because the coffee is like, it's more creamy and sweet, so it just like, adds to it.
Not that I don't like coffee. Even coffee actually never excites me. But it's just the right balance of cream and coffee.
It's like a coconut latte.
Together, we're on something here.
My mouth is completely broken.
And it made my stomach feel better. Like we were so like full before, and
You're having a good time.
we felt gross.
My stomach was fine. I didn't feel gross. Because I took my drugs.
I felt gross, but now I feel alive again. I feel alive.
That is an amazing combination.
And it's not grainy. Sometimes, you know why some people they don't put enough coconut milk, they put too much cornstarch and the cornstarch.
Yep.
Yeah, the cornstarch.
Coagulates. I don't like that.
And if you boil the coconut milk too long, they don't get white, they get kind of yellow. So coconut milk we add first and we add at the end again.
So good.
So do you use like the real coconut, like the grated coconut? Oh.
I just adding cost for him.
And labor.
I don't think in Hawaii you even have enough coconut meat to do that.
You
When we grow up, that's in Thailand, that's how they do it, you know. You just sit there and you just,
Yeah.
you have the thing like a teeth like that, and you use the coconut, you just keep screwing.
yeah, we're just doing that, yeah.
And then you put a little bit of water, you squeeze.
Yeah.
Squeeze.
So much work.
Then you take the first liquid, that's a fat part. Then you add more water, then you do the second one for curry, for whatever.
I remember my dad used to do that.
You did that really?
Yeah.
Wow.
But now they trim all the coconuts from the tree so they don't kill anybody.
Yeah, different. The coconut now, they don't let it mature enough.
Yeah.
Lots of caffeine in the coffee.
Oh, caffeine!
And thanks to Good Zine.
Caffeine! I'm alive!
I'm alive. It's a miracle.
Okay, anyway, thank you for joining us. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.